Testing, testing, one, two, three. Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Live from Miami. I'm Alberto German, and I'm going to be reading the market live, real time as it's happening. Good morning, Mystique.
Good morning, Cappy.
Okay, ready to, what's today? Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday.
All right, terrific Tuesday.
Terrific Tuesday.
Okay, let's have it.
Let's do it.
Right, we have the PMI, 9:45, 15 minutes after the open. It's not a market mover, but we have to watch it. And then 10 a.m. we have the ISM, and that is a market mover, ladies and gentlemen. And it's gonna be out along with the construction spending and the jobs, right? That job openings. And it looks like it's an important piece of news today, so we're gonna be extremely cautious. Not that we're not always cautious. So let's see what the overall market direction is and what the mega trend is, and let's see what all the trends are. All right, so price right now 05, and something's going on right here. Okay, so we have to figure out it's this 91, 92 strong enough to hold, and is this bounce gonna take it all the way to 601, which is what I'm looking at. Okay, and then what's going to happen there at 601? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as stated. So, a good piece of information. A good piece of information is the strength of this low right here, 92. Right? It's strong enough to have it hold, but if it's taken, then we know where it's going. So that's good news. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we have a. All right, so the high of this wave is 601. The low is 92. All right, and so since 9 a.m. we've known that this low is strong enough to take the price all the way to the high 601. Right, we've known that since 9 a.m. Right, since the price was right here at 93. Okay, so 93. So now what we need to figure out is the price going to take 601? And if it is, where is it going to continue going? 606. Okay, so the first resistance above the high of the current wave, which we still don't know whether it's a bull, bearish, or a snake wave. It looks like it's a bull wave, but we don't know it yet. But it doesn't. Well, it's not that it doesn't matter. If it's a bull wave, then we're not going to short 01. It's a bullish wave, so we're not gonna short it, right? Especially since we know that the odds are that a break of 601, it'll continue to 606, right? So we're not gonna be looking to counter trend a minor resistance, which is the high of this wave. All right. If it was a snake, then we would, because we're not expecting a clean break of 601, a continuation to 606, right? So let's. The market is out of balance. It's the first of the month, so needless to say that you have to watch your position sizing, and we're not expecting a Lamborghini day today, are we, Mystique?
We are not.
All right.
You never
Well,
know.
not yet, but you never know.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna bring that 606. It's a 3-point range, so we are going to draw 609 as well now. Okay, 609. Alrighty. Okay, 609 it is then. Okay. All right, so that's 601 as promised, right?
Yep.
601 is the high of this wave. Clean break, take it to 6. Not a clean break. This recoil is telling us it's worth it to have a short position and expect a 9-point lip up and down of this entire wave. 601, 592. All right, so 601 holding, clean break of this thing can easily go back to 601. We all know that. 601 is the high of our wave, right? Which we never made it a bull wave. We know that the 92 is extremely strong, right? We know that. It's not going to be easy for the price to break 92 and continue going down, right? So it goes to 01, recoil, right? And then recoils all the way to here. Let's go ahead and
297.
right. Okay. Okay. So 901. Okay. So, all right. So we are expecting our level of resistance 601 to clinch. Clinch means price not take it. We know that if there is a clean break, it'll continue to 606, and then we'll manage it all the way to 9 and 13. But right now, this is a bearish position that we have because the high is 601. It was this way, never turned into a bullish wave, and the fighting continues, right? 601, it goes all the way, it drops 3 points, shenanigans right here, chop, right? The market is taking everybody out. We never let a winner turn into a loser, right? Price goes back to, you all know that 601, right? So our next resistance is 602, right? Yep. We go ahead and we put it 1 point above. We're watching this action right here, right now. Extremely careful, right? I told you this opening is gonna be tough. Price is gonna play with everybody here at 601. Now 602. All right. Right?
Right.
Okay, so smart money's shaking everybody out. Eventually, right, we have to wait. We don't have confirmation that 602, now 602, right? Now the high is 602 now. It's going to be taken, right? Because there is no volatility. Our worst enemy, right? No volatility, right? Chop is our worst enemy. So when the price goes to one of our key levels and then do this type of dancing, then that's the 34% of the time that shakes everybody out. We, on the other hand, still believe that that this high right here, now 92, is resistance. Okay? So, oh my God, so this thing looks like it's gonna break it, man. And if it breaks, it's gonna go to 606. All right? The long position, right? The long position from 93, you know, it's still good, right? 93, what do the bulls want? To have the price break 01 and continue to 6, 9, and 13. Right? Okay. Okay. 13. Okay. All right. Exactly. This is the action that everybody hates. Okay. Okay, not the bulls, right? We have a position long since 9 a.m. 93. We knew the price was going to go to 61, so we accomplished 601. We don't get all out. We tried a counter trend short 601. It gave us 3 points. It goes right back up, and then it goes right back up. We never let a winner turn into a loser. The counter trend, right? It's being taken right now. Okay, so that's good for our position long 93. 93, 94, right here. This position right here, 93, 94. At 9 a.m. when we knew that the price was going to continue going all the way to 91. Open comes, and it's not a clean break, but as long as the price is now above, comfortably above 601, then we are expecting to go to 606, and we'll take it from there to see if it's gonna continue in one straight line all the way to 09 and 13. Alrighty, okay. All right, so the job of those of us who are long since 9 a.m. because we knew the strengths of the low, and not only we had direction up, we had stop the low, right? This low right here, the one that everybody, even the teenagers have a stop right here, right? A clean break of 92, that's the stop, right? So we have, since 9 a.m., we have direction up. Stop the low. Target 01, which is, 01 is not a target. Target is right here, 06, 09, 13. Is that 06 mistake?
It is.
Alrighty then. Okay, so from 93 to 06, that's 13 points, right? Not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all.
Okie dokie.
Have it have a quadruple bullish shape.
Okay, here you go. All right, so that's 601. Good for another 5 points. Look at that mistake to the tick.
Yep.
Right? Okay. Target 1, 606, reached. Okay, target 1 reached nicely. Okay, look at the counter trend. Okay, look at the counter trend 606, ladies and gentlemen. Alrighty. Okay, so we have target 2, 13, right? Target 2, 13 by way of 09. All right, target 2, 13 by way of 09. Okay, alrighty then. Okay, so price goes to into 601. 3 points of counter trend. Price goes right back up. We all get the hell out, right? We know it's gonna continue going to 06. We wanted a clean break. We didn't get it, but we knew it was gonna go to 06, right? So we remain long. We don't get out of the initial entry long here, 93, 94, right? And support become resistance become support. Now we want 601 to hold. Have the price right here, leap up and down, or 106, of course, and then eventually take 06, go to 09. We're not getting out 09. We're gonna let it ride all the way to 13, unless I tell you not to anymore. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, look at this beautiful counter trend, right? Look at it, 6, all the way back to our high of the wave. Look at that, 5 points, right? 5 points in a couple of minutes. That's not bad at all for the counter trend, right? All right, Remember, that's what we do here at Capital Trade Center. We take advantage of every single move that we can forecast. 9 a.m. we knew price was gonna the odds where the price was gonna continue to 601. We go long right here, ride it all the way to 01. We don't get out because 601 is not a target. The target is 06. 01 is resistance, is the high of the wave, right? But we take a shot, we give it a shot. Price goes down 3 points, right? Counter trend, so price goes, give us 3 points with the micros. It goes right back up. We get the hell out. We never let a winner turn into a loser. We continue riding the main play long here, 94, all the way to target 1. Price goes to target 1. We know that target 1 is automatically a counter trend. In this case, short. Razor sharp. Look at it. It goes to 6 quarter. So the counter trend short 06 is a razor sharp entry. No hit. Boom. It pulls back all the way to our former resistance, which is now support. And of course, the counter trend here, 5 points. We know that many times counter trends end up being the beginning of a new trend. That's why we take them. Okay. All right. And those of you who don't like to take counter trends, you don't have to take it, right? You are long the hour open, and you logged 606, right? 606, right? Minus 593. 593. That's 13 points. 594. If you late, you took the 595, you're still up 11, 12 points. All right? There is no need to get out of the main plate long 93, 94. Okay? There's no need. There is only one reason, right? Price would need to start destroying all supports, which for us are adding to a winner as reason number 1, and reason number 2, I tell you to get out. If I don't tell you to get out, you do not get out. You do not get out your entire position, all right? And if you are all in, all out, you get out, but you have to get back in because we are after 09. That's our next destination. 09, it's by way of, it's not a target, it's a destination of target 2, which is 13. That is target 2. 09 is just a destination by way of. For the price to go to 13, of course, it has to pass through 09 first, right? And we are expecting to see some resistance here at 609, but we're not going to get out unless you want to get out. Look at your P&L. You're done for the day. You want to go play tennis. It's your own agenda. You do whatever you want. My job is only to tell you what the price is going to do, direction, which direction is going, where is the best place to get in, where is the best place to get out so that you can milk that position, right? And how to manage it. That's my job. You are the trader. All right? I don't claim to be a big shot trader. I'm going to say it every day so there is no confusion. My job is just to read the market, tell you everything that the market is going to do, direction, right? Trend direction, entry location, stop protection, right? Target destination, position size, depending on the market mood, trade management, how to trail, when to trail, what trail is strong enough that we are expecting the market not to take, but to add to a winner, and account management. Seven 7 elements that needs to be present in every single trade. That's my job, is to tell you that. All right? Okay. So you can be long the open when I call this entry long here when we knew price was going to go 601, and you can be short too, or you can be long only, you didn't take the counter trend, or you can only be taking the counter trend and you're not even long right here. It's up to you. You are the trader. I'm just going to tell you exactly what the market is going to do and how it's going to do it and when it's going to do it and where it's going and how it's going to get there. That's my job. You do with that information whatever you want, right, Mistake?
That's correct.
You think that's good enough information for a professional trader to make a decision as to what to do?
Absolutely.
I think so too. So I'm going to say it again, right? Main play, long hour open, right? From the low right here, this beautiful low, 93, 94, right? And as usual, we're going to take advantage of every pullback, right? Main play, long, and there's going to be pullbacks because the market goes anywhere in a straight line, Mystique? Tell me.
Usually not.
Usually not, right?
Right.
So there's going to be pullbacks, you think?
Yeah.
We're going to take them. You don't have to, traders, you guys make your own decision as to whether you want to take it or not. There is a lot of very profitable, consistently profitable traders, professional traders. They never take counter trend. It's perfectly okay. However, you spend a couple of weeks here at Capital Trade Center, and you're going to change your mind pretty soon. You're going to be taking, as long as you have a tactic and a good strategy how to do it, and as long as you know exactly where all the trends are and the strengths of those resistance, you will take them. And you're going to take advantage of it big time because you're gonna see yourself leaving a lot of points on the table. And you're going to say, no way, Jose, right? I'm going to do it. Look at this one. Look at this 606. Good for, not only is a razor sharp entry, right? Look at that. It's also a, hold on a second. What the hell is going on here? What the hell is it?
News in 2 minutes, says Sean.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, news in 2 minutes. Okay, thank you, Sean. Who said that, Sean?
Sean.
Okay, righty then. Okay, all right. So let's all be extremely cautious, right? And here we go. That looks good, doesn't it? All right, bada bing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All righty, so it looks like we're having a good Tuesday, doesn't it?
It sure does.
All right, my friend. Remember what I told you about 06. All right? It's not a target, so we're not going to counter trend it unless you are an aggressive trader. Then it's okay. You can counter trend the 06 if you want to, right? But the rule is the target itself, all right? 13. Okay, look at that, Mystique. Another razor sharp. Can you believe that?
Unbelievable.
Look at that, another razor sharp. 9/4. Tell me, right? You tell people around the world that this is what we do here, and they're not gonna believe you. You know, they're not gonna believe you. They're gonna say, I have to see it to believe it.
That's right.
All right, well.
NASA's +8.
Well, come on and enjoy it. Look at it. +8.
Yes.
That's beautiful, right?
Yes, it is.
Right. 8 times $50 is $400, isn't it?
That's right.
$400, right? 10 contracts. How much is that? It's $4,000.
That's right.
Or 400. Or 8,000 if you're trading 20. I don't know. It's up to the trader, right? How many contracts they can take. Right? What we do here is 10. So that's $4,000 right there. Remember I told you? There is a hidden trend that is giving us a hidden, it's He's hiding from all the retail traders, right? The only people in the world, the only traders in the world that know about that trend is us right here at CTC. Remember, I told you that
Yes.
it gave us confidence that the break was going to be to the upside and it was going to go to our next level 09, and look at exactly what happened. I mean, a system that tells you not only what the price is going to do, but that tells you, and then the price does it to the tick 90% of the time. Are you kidding me, Stick?
Pretty amazing.
That's like
amazing.
no. That's unheard of. People just don't believe that, right? Who can possibly believe that? That's just too much. To the tick, look at that. To the tick, 06, to the tick, 09, and we know that we are on our way to 13. Well, we'll see about that. We're not gonna be
Chanting victory before you pass.
yeah, exactly. All right, so let's do target 2, my friends. All right, so we have the hidden trend backing us up, right? Let's see what's going on with the energy. Is there enough energy today to take it to 13, right? We have to continue analyzing the market tick by tick, minute to minute, second to second, candle to candle, Rekinacci to Rekinacci, Hakinacci, all that stuff that people do. Ladies and gentlemen, don't let this chop shake you.
Nas gotta go. He said, thank you all. Need to move. See you all.
Uh, Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how strong is this pull. Let's see if this is a real pullback or what have you. Okay. All right. Okay, so 06, right? We need to take 06 comfortably. Okay, hold on a second. Is that a hangover mistake? No, it's not.
It is not.
Okay. All right. Gotta be careful with this drop right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm watching. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, I'm. Gee. Yeah, that's right. Okay. What the hell is that? 83? Okay. Oh, okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have it right here. All right, so yes, this one right here, it's a little bit lower, it's 83. A clean break, right? Let's say that, all right, 83. That's where it's going. A clean break of the low, 92. If there is a break of structure, our structure, if the market breaks the low of our wave, our low 92, then I am expecting a continuation all the way to, what the hell, what happened with it? I had one here at 83. It disappeared on me. Alrighty. 83, ladies and gentlemen, okay? I'll go ahead and draw it again. Right. Okay. Okay, 83, it's right there. Okay, we're gonna put it in blue. It's a pour. Okay, that's, ladies and gentlemen, listen to me. That's target 1, 83 is target 1 for the counter trend short 9/4. Okay, clean break of 92 invalidates the main play long the open, our open 94 right here, this area right here, 92, 93, 94, right? Clean break of 92 invalidates that, and it makes this pullback the main trend now. All right? And we would be expecting it to continue to 83. There's nothing stopping it from going to 83. All righty? But not until it's beautifully and completely taken. Okay? Let me go ahead and say this again. All right? Okay, so this drop from 9/4 all the way to the low is a violent, nasty move, trickery from the smart money to shake out the weak bulls. We all know 92, it's a double bottom, it's a pour. As long as it's holding, then we expect more sideways action. All right? All right. That being said, a clean break of 92, we believe is going to go to 83 by way of 88. But we have to see how it goes to 88, because 88 is, listen to this, and this is going to blow your mind. The real low is not 92 or 91. That's not the real low. All right? The real low is 88. So if the price takes 92, it'll go to 88. 88 is going to stop it. So in other words, it's not going on a straight line all the way to 83. 88 is the real low. There's going to be the same action that we saw here. We're going to have it here at 88. This is Prisatico's low. It's not 92. We don't care about 92, right? Okay. Okay, so we all can see confirmation of what we've been saying here. This drop right here, when the market plummet from 9/4, not only we are taking advantage of the counter trend short here, you know, those of you who are aggressive trader and counter trend, it goes to the low, right? It doesn't clean break the low, right? So it doesn't invalidate the main play loan that we took here, 92, 93, 94, even though the price went to this low right here. What do you think the price went to 91.5? Why do you think the price went all the way to 91.5? to take everybody out. We, on the other hand, know that as long as this low is holding, the main play long is still going, has not been invalidated, right? If the, okay, so let's see it right here. All right, so if this big move, when the price plummet from 9, right, all the way to 91, right, or 1, these 20 points, right, it took your trail, but we know that we still want to be long support, and this is the best support there is. Not only is a double bottom, which is a conventional technical analysis setup, right, it's also a our system support. 91, right? Look at that, 91 half. Beautiful. It takes 91. It doesn't take it. We know that if it takes it, it'll go to 88, right? Remember what I told you. The real low is not 91. It's 88. That's the real low. All right, so bounce, beautiful move up to where? 600 psychological level. Okay, there we go. So we took advantage of the move up. We took advantage of the 20 points with the counter trend. Of course, price goes all the way to the low. That's an automatic target, right? For the counter trend, you've got to get out right here, 92, right? This is a strong bullish setup. Have to get the hell out of the counter trend, right? Get out. We make 20 points on the counter trend. Price bounce. The main play remains bullish. It is not until the new low now, 92, the same low, 91, 92, same low, is taken that we'll make a decision as to what's going to happen next. Clean break of the low, of the conventional low, then I'm expecting the price to go to our low, 88. And we'll see it. We'll see how it behaves there. And then a continuation to 83. As long as that doesn't happen, we are still of the belief that the main place is still long. And of course, now we have a 20-point range, right? 91, 09, almost 610, right? 610, 600, 9, 21, 22 points, right? All right, so that we are going to continue playing it. Right? So we measured the energy for today's action, and it's sideways. That's why we don't believe that there's going to be a clean break of 92 or a clean break of 13. We don't, we don't think so. All right? And if there is, 88 is going to stop it. And if there is a clean break of 09, 13 is going to stop it. As long as the energy trend is sideways, which is exactly what it is right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, good. Let's go ahead and take this. Let's go ahead and take this 600, 601. Let's go ahead and take it. Take it good. Right, 602. Okay, perfect. Right, look at this clean take. Right, look at it from 98, boom, all the way to 02 and change. 4 points. Right, 600 psychological level. Support become resistance. Resistance becomes support. As long as the price above 600, this add to a winner long 92. Add to a winner. Establish a new position. Right. It's the trade in command. All righty. Okay. So that's location. Direction is sideways. I'm not expecting a break. I'm gonna say it again. I'm not expecting a clean break of 92, which we all know the real low is 88. I'm not expecting a clean break of this area right here, and I'm not expecting a clean break of the high either, which we all know that it'll take it to 13. All righty? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so we have this new micro range right here. Okay, that we're gonna be paying extremely close attention. Is this okay? Let me see. Okay, it's not this one right here. It's okay, it's 04. Okay, here it is. Okay, 04, 96. These 8 points right here is gonna be the next chop. Okay. These 8 points right here, 96, 04. This is gonna be the next chop. We're not expecting the price to take 92 because the energy trend is sideways. All right, so we're not expecting a clean break of the low. All right, this 92 right here. If it does, 88 is the real low, and we're not expecting the clean break of 92. If it does, it'll go to 13. That's the real, that's the next resistance. In the meantime, chop, right? Okay, so we have this big channel right here, and then we have a micro channel, and then we have this other micro channel right here. 8 points. Okay, we're not interested in 98. It's not important anymore. All right, and of course that 601 is not that important either anymore. You know, but we want to leave it there so that we remember that this was the high of the open wave, right? We just want to have it there, but this is not that important anymore. Now is this 8-point range, this channel structure right here, 9604. That's what we're going to be paying attention to now. Okay. So let's go ahead and talk about it again, right? Right. We have the energy trend for today is sideways, and of course we have this high and this low, and then this is the micro. This is the micro channel, right? 8 points, 96, 04. So our job now is to figure out two things. Number one, what's the price gonna do in the future? What's ahead, right? Well, and number two, based on that analysis, then how is it gonna happen? Right? We have this micro right here, 9604. Which of these two, which are the important levels right now, is gonna be taken first? Well, we happen to believe that it is the low 96, the one that is going to be taken. Now, how is it going to be taken? Well, we all know that when the smart money is vicious, like they were on this 20-point drop, right? This, when the market plummeted this 20 points, they were really vicious with the bulls, right? We professional traders knew that this low wasn't going to be taken easily. We go long, and we are taking advantage of this move up. For the future, though, we are right, and then we have this new 9604 micro channel, and we believe that is the low, the one that is going to be taken, and the price is eventually going to go to 92. It's going to break it, and it's going to go to the low 88. That's what we believe is going to happen. Remember that we have a prediction addiction here. All right? That's our edge. Okay? I know that a lot of fake gurus out there and a lot of fake educators, a lot of vendors of trading education, remember, they are parakeets. They just repeat what another blind told them. All right, you gotta have an edge, and your edge is to trade what you think. Your future, your analysis needs to be good enough to tell you what the odds are as to what's gonna happen in the future. All righty? Are we gonna be right 100% of the time? I would probably not be here. I would be having brunch with Elon Musk, right? So, all right, and we can change our mind any second. We can change hats, just like we change hats here on this counter trend, right? For the counter trend, right? We went short here. We were long. We went short. We took advantage of the low of our wave, and we are still taking advantage of it. But we know that 04 is going to stop it, and then of course our 06. So we're going to be watching this action, expecting the price to not take the resistances, go back up to 96, shenanigans of course, eventually break it, test the low, break it, and go to our low 88. That's what we think is going to happen next. We have to be careful, of course, because we know that the smart money is shaking out with this move up, right? It's shaking out the weak bears. Look at it. All right, so it took everybody out. And then we have to continue playing. Now we believe that the counter trend short that we took right here, 09, is once this 92 is clean taken, and it doesn't matter if it goes to 88. 88 just happens to be our support, but it doesn't matter. As long as it cleans 92, then we believe that the main play long, it's invalidated, and this 20-point drop move is going to become the main play, right? So the counter trend short here, that we're not getting all out until the price destroys it, because we know it's going to go to 13. So why are we going to stay above 610, right? If it's going to go to 13. I don't see that happening. Why? Because we just analyzed the micro range, which is these 8 points right here, 96.04. And our analysis says that it is the low of this range, the one that is going to be taken, right? So we have in our aim the biggest move to be to the downside. All right. Okay. So what's going to happen, right? So what's going to happen between 92 and 88, 91, right? 92 and 88. This 3 point right here, 88, 91, that's no man's land. That's no man's land, because it's going to be so poor, because as long as it doesn't take 88, which is the real low, then, right, it's taking a conventional support, 92 right here. But we believe that our analysis, our system is going to stop at 88. So this is going to be a no man's land, depending at what time the price goes here, 88, 92, depending at what time it gets there. And how it gets there, then we're going to know, we'll see it all together happening, a break of the 88 and a continuation to 83, which is target 2. Okay. 83 is target 2 for the counter trend short 609 that we took long time ago, that there is no reason at all whatsoever to be all out. Why are you going to be all out? No, Capi, I got the hell all out when we went long again here, the low. You know? Well, I can understand that if you are all out. However, the market doesn't care if you are all out, if I am all out, right? The market is going to do what it's going to do. And 90% of the time, it does what we say here it's going to do. So your job is to continue watching it, follow it, and change hats if we are totally wrong and the market breaks 04, 06, right? 04, 06 is no man's land. 2 points right here, right? Okay, and then time, what time it is right now? It's 11:01. All right, so we have another half an hour of volatility, the one that we like, and then depending at what time and how it gets there, we'll continue managing our position. Remember what I told you, today is going to be a tough day. It's the beginning of the month, and we have the jolts, and we have all these economic releases, and it is now that the market hasn't revealed itself yet, but it's on its way. Our job is to be able to detect what the intentions of the market are before it does it, so that we can position ourselves accordingly. Tell me, is that common sense? Is that mathematics? Is that a rule-based system? That's what I like. All right, so that's 96, isn't it? Okay. 96. Let's see. Right? We're all clear. The future. That's what we are all about here. All right? So, bulls, they're gonna try. They're gonna try to. They're gonna defend 96, right? They're gonna do everything in their power to have the price not take that 96 that we've known for half an hour already. The odds say was the level of the micro 8-point range structure that was going to be taken, and which is being taken right now. Right? That's 94, 95, right? And remember what I told you. This is going to be a triple bottom now. 92 is going to work again, and eventually it'll be taken. All right? We are all about the future. Okay? Remember, 88 is really important. It's the real low. 92, 88 is going to be a no man's land, and we just have to hang in there. All right. Look at the bulls coming back to the rescue, right? All right. It's a continued battle. All right then. So the fight continues, right? But not before the price broke our 96, took it to 94, 2 points, right? And then bulls came to the rescue, and we're back to chop, right? Gee, what time it is? Right, look at that. It's 11:28, almost 11:30. What do you expect? All right. Okay. But the forecast that I said last is still valid, and it's just a matter of letting the smart money shake everybody out. We all know that beginning 11:30, right? Official chop begins. So what's going on right now? Well, scalpers going long 96. What do you think? They know, right? Professional traders know the importance of this range right here, 96.04. They know it. So what do you think they're gonna do? They're gonna go long right here, 96, 95 is a bonus entry in 94, right? And they're gonna scalp it in and out. And that's why chop begins, because that's what the scalpers are gonna do. Remember, we are scalpers as well. It's just that our methodology calls for scalping 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 points. So it depends on the day's action and volatility, right? We are scalpers too. We just don't scalp 1 point or 2 points. We scalp 20 points, 30 points, 50 points, 60 points, 70 points like we were scalping a couple of months ago. All right, that's it. I'm done. Time right now, 11:40, right? And God knows how long is this God knows how long is this chop gonna last, right? You know everything. You know exactly what we expect to happen. You know exactly where we are at. And you know exactly what to do. What if? It's done. The market revealed itself. It is the chop doldrums right now. And just make sure that you log your green day and no shenanigans. Remember, it's the first of the day. It's an erratic day. Usually it's normal. All right, and that's pretty much it for us. Remember, if it's not live, it's not real.